Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to geomine using the Coin app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Geomine app, the Coin app, sorry. And after you have signed in, you will open the app and you will see this screen with the map with your location. And on this map, you should see in the middle of the screen this little mine icon. And if it's available, if it's blue right now, you just have to tap on it. And after a quick loading screen, you will receive a message that you just geomined and you will receive some coins. I just did it before this video and I received 0.1 coin. As you can see, when I signed up, I received 1000 coins for 1000 coins for signing up, and for one geomining, I just received 0.1 coins. Oh, it's available again. So I just geomined and now I received 0.5 coins. So yeah, that's great. And now you should wait again to be able to geomine again, or you can move to another area and geomine again. So this is great if you are walking somewhere. You can geomine every single block on the street where you walk, or if you are traveling, you can do this a bunch of times, so you can earn a lot of geomine coins. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.